Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to disable optional diagnostic data on Skype app on Android device. Well, transmitting diagnostic data can consume network bandwidth and may impact your data usage, especially if you have limited data allowance on your mobile plan. And also, disabling this feature can help conserve your data and reduce unnecessary network traffic. So, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first you have to go to the Skype app and then enter to your profile page. After that, select the settings menu here. Well, so on this page, you can click privacy option. After that, scroll down and look for this menu. Lastly, disable it like this. Well, that's the tutorial on how to disable optional diagnostic data on Skype app on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.